The best Galaxy Watch so far. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes with a couple of new features which make this watch a perfect fit for everyone. Whether you need it for hiking or in general, you need a premium watch which can last more than 3 days or more durable, then Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can be your next Galaxy Watch. If you want Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and didn't get it yet, then pre-order it now from Samsung's official website and get a free credit because the pre-orders will going to end on 25th of August 2022. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro or Galaxy Watch 5. Which one would you prefer and what features do you like the most on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? As per a couple of people who like metallic band for their watches, I put a link in the description box below, you can check it out. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro shares the same features as the Watch 4 Classic, but some new ones that are amazing. After using the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, it lasted around 2 full days. Now, your usage can be different, but in these 2 days, the GPS was on while hiking, sleep tracking was also enabled, so if you turn off these features from your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, then you can get up to 4 days of battery life on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which is amazing. And it didn't take much time for charging. While it's with new 10-watt fast charger, since Samsung didn't bring adapter in the box, using 45-watt adapter, the Watch 5 Pro charged in around 2 hours and 9 minutes, acceptable for 3 days of battery life watch. One cool feature on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is track back feature. Well, if you are hiking on some areas and you need to go back, Watch 5 Pro will guide you through your path. But if you change the direction or change the route while returning, then Galaxy Watch 5 Pro might not work properly. While having this, Samsung allows to import a GPX file, where you can put GPX file of a certain route and Watch 5 Pro will guide you turn by turn. The build quality is on point, with sapphire glass which Samsung claims to be 60% more durable, and titanium build makes this a perfect fit for adventurous people. And this Watch 5 Pro is mostly for active people with a healthy lifestyle, since Samsung included a couple of health and fitness features. The one among them is sleep tracking. It is an amazing feature that is used to track your sleep cycles and when you snore, and if you hear that, it sounds horrible. The haptic feedbacks are great. And the One UI 4.5 is easy to use while accessing the notifications. And while there is no rotating bezel, you can use a digital rotating features. Put your fingers on the edge and switch between features. So the bigger bezel help you navigate easily. All in all, this is the most capable watch Samsung has ever made. With a premium look, great features, longer battery life, and outstanding durability, this watch can be your next Galaxy Watch. If you like big watches, Watch 5 Pro can be an option. If not, then Watch 5 could be a great option for you with a smaller battery. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro or Watch 5. Which one would you prefer, and what features do you like the most on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!